So this is TableTop Simulator with a chain of command mod game, whatever you like to say, loaded into it, and I've just plunked these buildings over here in position. You get a selection over here of buildings, and if you wanted another one, it's just a matter of drag and drop. You can rotate it. It gives you some details. It's very easy to set up. You can see how rough and ready I've done this. I could take my time and try and make the actual fields line up. I've just done this very quickly just to show people what's possible with it. Let's move that tree. The author for this one has set up the author has set up here. He's got US Infantry, US Armoured Rifle, US Airborne, Falch Omega, Panzer Grenadier and Infantry. I've moved the infantry out onto the board over here. So for instance, if I wanted to move them en masse, I could just highlight them and move them a set distance. Or you can click on individual ones. Let's move this rifleman over here and this one over here. As you can see, there's a squad out here that's defending this wall. Rather disconcertingly, I can't seem to find a way to actually rotate the individual men. There might be a way, so these Germans are supposed to be defending this wall are facing the wrong way. There may be a way of doing that, I haven't found it yet. The tanks, they're quite easy to rotate. You just put it down, press Q or E, and you can rotate them. He's also set up over here the various armoured units and some more generic infantry, which you can just take and pull out. What's in there? Field defences. Let's have a look at what a field defence looks like. You just drag out of there. Some dragon's teeth. He's also set up the morale boards and some dice rollers. We've got broken tokens pinned, tactical shock. Let's put a shock token on our Germans. You could change these for whatever you wanted. You don't have to use what he's got. You could change the terrain. There's lots of other mods out there which let you do different maps, larger maps. I've never played this online, so I've no idea how effective it is online, but I have done it solo a few times to test out different scenarios and things, and it seems to work reasonably well. It's a bit fiddly in places, but it's half price at the moment. So there you go. Pay your money, take your choices.